Greetings, my friends. Welcome to Mindset Movie Reviews. If you love movies, be sure to like and subscribe. Today, we're going to review The Birds. Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds, released in 1963, is a film that continues to captivate audiences with its unique blend of horror, drama, and mystery. The movie, directed by the legendary Hitchcock and based on a story by Daphne du Maurier, takes viewers on a suspenseful journey to the small coastal town of Bodega Bay, California. Here, the seemingly idyllic setting becomes the backdrop for a series of inexplicable and terrifying bird attacks. The plot centers around Melanie Daniels, played by Tippi Hedren, a wealthy socialite from San Francisco who travels to Bodega Bay to deliver a pair of lovebirds to Mitch Brenner, played by Rod Taylor, a lawyer she met in a pet shop. What begins as a light-hearted romantic pursuit quickly turns into a nightmare as birds of all species inexplicably begin to attack the townspeople. The film's narrative is divided into two distinct parts, the initial romantic comedy setup and the subsequent horror of the bird attacks. This structure, reminiscent of Hitchcock's earlier works like Vertigo and Psycho, adds to the film's intrigue and complexity. Hitchcock's mastery of suspense is evident throughout The Birds. The tension builds gradually, with the first half of the film focusing on character development and the budding relationship between Melanie and Mitch. The bird attacks, when they occur, are both shocking and terrifying, made all the more effective by the absence of a musical score. Instead, the film relies on the unsettling sounds of the birds themselves, creating an atmosphere of impending doom. The film's special effects, while dated by today's standards, were groundbreaking at the time. Hitchcock used a combination of real birds, puppetry, and innovative techniques to create the illusion of massive bird swarms. The iconic scene where Melanie is attacked in the attic is particularly memorable, showcasing Hitchcock's ability to evoke fear and suspense through visual storytelling. The Birds also explores themes of nature's unpredictability and humanity's vulnerability. The lack of explanation for the bird attacks leaves audiences with a lingering sense of unease, as Hitchcock intended. This ambiguity, coupled with the film's open-ended conclusion, invites viewers to ponder the mysteries of nature and the potential consequences of human interference. The performances in The Birds are noteworthy, with Tippi Hedren delivering a compelling portrayal of Melanie Daniels. Jessica Tandy, as Mitch's possessive mother Lydia, adds depth to the film's exploration of familial relationships and the tension between Melanie and Lydia. The supporting cast, including Suzanne Pleshette as the schoolteacher Annie, further enriches the narrative. Despite its age, The Birds remains a classic of the horror genre, influencing countless films that followed. Its psychological depth, combined with Hitchcock's unparalleled skill in crafting suspense, ensures that it continues to resonate with audiences today. The film's ability to transform ordinary birds into harbingers of terror is a testament to Hitchcock's genius, making The Birds a timeless masterpiece that challenges viewers to reconsider their perceptions of the natural world. That wraps up my review of The Birds, and I'm giving it 4.5 stars out of a possible 5. Thank you for listening. If you've enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time on Mindset Movie Reviews.